Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be presenting a simple but very effective comparison between India's top two IT services companies, Infosys and TCS. And I'll be presenting the data in the form of a chart where we'll be comparing the 4 years progress, okay, the last 4 years progress that these companies have made on these three very important parameters, that is total income, net profit, and how the market has valued them in terms of market cap. Okay, so the progress over these 4 years will give us a very clear idea of which of these companies has been outperforming the other, both on the operational front and then how the market has been reacting to their performance. Okay, so investors in these companies, either of these companies or many of the investors who are invested in both these companies, will get a clear idea of which one is the current favorite to outperform the other one over the next maybe 1 or 2 years. Okay, so let's start. So in this chart, what I have done is I have compared the last 4 years. Okay, so what it means is basically this blue chart here, blue bar here, is representing the data for the 4 quarters ending December 2017. So this one is for the 4 quarters ending December 2017. The next one is for the 4 quarters ending December 18. This is for December 19 and then December 20. So these are basically the trailing 12-month figures for the respective quarters. Okay, December end quarters for these 4 years. So these four are for the total income, these are for net profit, and these are for market cap. And the figures here represent Infosys figure. Okay, the respective total income. Now for this here, if we see 58.7, what does this mean is, if we compare the Infosys total income figure for the 12 months ending December 2017 with the corresponding figure for TCS in terms of percentage, okay, then that number comes to 58.7. So this kind of comparison will make it very easy for us to understand which one of them is outperforming the other over the last 3 to 4 years. Okay, now let's start. So here on the total income front, if you see, in December 2017, Infosys figure was around 58.7% of TCS total income. Then the next year it dropped a little bit. That means TCS was clearly growing a little faster than Infosys. But after that, that is in December 2019, Infosys figure has again improved a little bit. That means in this particular year, Infosys reported slightly faster growth compared to TCS. And now in December 20, the figure has jumped substantially. Okay, from 57.4, we can see it improve to 61% now. That means in this particular year, okay, the 12 months that we have just completed now, in this particular year, Infosys has clearly outperformed by a significant margin in terms of growth. Okay, so this is for the total income. Now let's look at the net profit. So on the net profit front as well, if you see, the figure was 62.3% in December 2017. Then it dropped very sharply to 49.5 in the next year, that is December 18. That means in this particular year, that is in December 2018, the net profit for TCS grew at a much faster pace compared to Infosys. Okay, this sudden sharp drop in percentage value clearly indicates that TCS growth was much faster in this particular year. Now in the following year, that is in December 2019, Infosys net profit has grown slightly faster. Okay, because of this improvement that we see in this percentage figure from 49.5, it has improved to 50.4. That means in this particular year, Infosys net profit growth was marginally faster than TCS. But in the following year, that is now the current year that we just completed in December 20, we can see that the figure has jumped very sharply from 50.4 to 59.5. That means Infosys net profit growth was much faster, okay, much stronger compared to TCS net profit growth. So both on the total income front as well as on the net profit front, yes, TCS was growing faster than Infosys till December 2018, but from December 2019 onwards, Infosys has clearly improved on the growth parameters. Okay, and especially the just completed 12 months period has been excellent for Infosys compared to TCS. Now let's look at how the market has valued these two companies in comparison. Okay, so if we can see, it was 44.1%. That means Infosys market cap at the end of December 2017 was 44.1% of TCS market cap. So it was clearly being valued at a discount. Infosys was clearly being valued at a discount compared to TCS in December 2017. But that was quite obvious because TCS was at that time growing faster than Infosys. So this percentage figure remained relatively steady for the next year, December 2018 as well, because again the growth was for TCS was a little faster than Infosys. Then in the next year, that is in December 2019, that figure dropped to 39.2. That was a slight bit of surprise because in this year, December 2019 year, Infosys growth both on the total income as well as on the net profit front was marginally better than TCS. That means the market valued TCS significantly more than Infosys in this year. But fortunately, in the most recent year, that is the period ending December 20, the market has corrected some of that part. Okay, some of that undervaluation has been corrected, and we can see it improve from 39.2 to now 49.7, a significant 10% improvement in Infosys market cap in comparison to TCS market cap. So the undervaluation that Infosys was getting over the last previous 3 years has been corrected to some extent in the most recent year. But as we can see, there is still some scope for this undervaluation correction yet. That means if we see the total income figure comparison is 61%, whereas the net profit comparison is 59.5%. So the market cap comparison can also get closer to this figure. Okay, maybe it can go even higher if Infosys continues to grow at a faster pace compared to TCS. So that is something we will have to wait and see after every quarter. But as of now, in the most recent 5 or 6 quarters, Infosys has been outperforming TCS on the growth parameters, okay, on both total income as well as net profit. So I have an expectation that this market cap undervaluation will continue to shrink in the coming year as well, and maybe at some point Infosys percentage, means market cap percentage, will go higher, slightly higher than 60% over the next 12 months. Okay, so let's wait and watch. So my frank opinion at this point is that Infosys share price should outperform TCS share price over the next 12 months, provided Infosys continues to grow at a rate which is either equal to TCS or slightly faster than TCS. Okay, so this is my frank opinion from the data that I have at this point.